I got it. Anu.
So we completed these things, right? Now we'll discuss about node. Okay. Node is, we already discussed, node is logical representation of a or physical representation of, logical representation of a physical machine which is handling Informatica server. Okay. So simply we can say Informatica hosting server. Okay. Informatica hosting server means currently Informatica installed on that server. Okay. So under this node again we have many types. We have already discussed, right? Master gateway, gateway, and worker. Okay. So master gateway is primary. It will handle all the requests, and secondary or gateway node is backup for master gateway. In case of primary master gateway absence, it will become master. And worker node is, it's mainly used to reduce the burden, reduce the load on both master gateway and gateway nodes. In case of this master gateway and gateway absence, it will not become master. It's mainly for reducing load. Okay. So these are the types we have uh, in Informatica. Come to node properties, we'll be able to see node name and host name. If you want to know host name, you will be able to see, and what is the administrator port number we are using for node 6005, gateway or worker gateway. Yes means it's a gateway node. Service role, yes, these two ignore please, service role and compute roles. Okay, we need to check these three options: host name, port number, gateway or worker. If it is worker, it will be able to see option no or false. No or false. Okay, it means the server is worker node. Okay, and under advanced properties, we'll be able to see backup directory. Backup directory means we already discussed, right? If you take repository backup or domain backup, the files will store under somewhere. So you have to define that path here. If you are taking backup backup of repository service from this server, automatically the backup file will be stored under backup path which we have specified under node properties. Okay, I'm taking with ABC. Sorry. File name is ABC. Okay, click on OK. Backup is taking. Okay, it has been backed up. So if you want to know the place which the backup file is located, you have to go to node, select node, and go to this path. Backup file will be stored under this path with extension of .rep. Okay, there will be multiple types, right? We have no txt file, we have xml file, we have excel, we have pdf, we have different file types, right? Here file type is rep. They'll in interview they will ask what is the file extension for backup file. For repository backup file, it's rep, and we can take the domain backup also. For that, it's mrep. Okay, so this is the, so you need to consider in real time. If you don't know the backup path, go to this path and see here. Definitely backup file will be placed here. Okay, that's why we are specifying. Or This is leave about error security level, leave about it. And for Informatica, we need port range 100. Okay, so it's starting with 6014 and it's ending with 60114. Okay, so they'll ask what is the port range of Informatica. We can say 100. If you want the port range details, you can check under node properties, advanced properties. Okay, and we can know, we'll get to know the HTTP or HTTPS port number here. As of now, we are using HTTPS. Okay, it's not secure. See, HTTPS. And also key store file location, leave about that key store file location. Okay, maximum processes 10, maximum CPU can length 10. Sometimes it will affect on this repository and integration. Okay, if it is reaching this CPU equivalent more than 10 at that time, our services will go down because of this CPU equivalent. In real time, it will be more than this. As per their requirement, they'll do that. Okay, and maximum memory is 150. Okay, if you go here, Control Shift Escape, we can see memory utilization as here. See, current memory utilization is 196 point something. Okay, sometimes here percentage wise we will be able to see 150 also, because we have specified here. Until that it will not go down. If it is reaching 150 plus, we'll be able to see some alerts. Okay, this is the things we need to consider under node properties. And if you go to processes, using this node, how many services we are running, we'll be able to see. On this node, repository and integration, 2 services are running. These 3 are disabled. We are not using these 3 services. And resource, we don't want these resources. Okay, and permissions. Permissions tab will discuss about security. Don't consider permissions from this window. We need to consider permissions from this window, security. Okay, under actions, assign, you can shut down node as well, but will not do this shutdown. Will stop services from here. Okay, that's the good way. These permissions and all will discuss about under security. Okay, okay guys, we have covered manage option. So no need to discuss about this connection and scheduler. Okay, these two are the important. Under this domain we'll be able to see all services status, availability, and we can monitor server CPU and RAM from here. See, okay, and also we'll see list of services from here. And under services and nodes, we can create, we can edit, we can modify, we can handle these services. Okay, so under monitor nothing will be there. Tomorrow I'll explain logs, on which scenarios will validate these logs. After that we'll move to security. Okay, if you finish that security, this administration console task will complete. Okay, then we will move to 4 client tools. In 4 client tools we'll do something, and it will take 2 to 3 classes, 4 client tools. Then we need to know about backend process. We are performing these actions manually, right? Like creation, for taking backups, for disabling, enabling. Same way, from backend also we can do. Okay, so this is the GUI mode, graphical interface method. We can do command mode, command mode. Okay, well, I'll explain that command mode after finishing this 4 client. Okay, Then there will be some files concept. So most probably within 2 weeks will be finished. We are going to finish it. Okay. Okay, guys. Any questions, please?
So on real time, the companies will prefer like backend or GUI, no?
Situation.
Okay.
Okay. 90% will do front end only, like
Okay.
GUI
Mm-hmm.
using this. Some scenarios definitely we need to do it from backend.
Backend.
I'll tell you. I'll explain.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, under Node, you told like memory utilization, we mentioned
120.
limit as 150%. So
Yeah.
who is going to mention all these properties, sir?
By default, it will come.
Okay.
Okay. There will be a PAM document called PAM.
Okay.
Okay. While doing this setup and all, they'll mention what all the things we need to change under this on all things. What
Okay.
is their requirement and all. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
according to that document, we'll do these changes.
Okay. Otherwise, we will leave
Keep
it as.
as usual.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Any questions?
No, sir. Everything is clear.
Rahul?
Hello, Anna, I have something to speak about.
Yeah, please. Yeah, please go.
I think that too with you only.
Okay, then I'll call you.
Yeah, no, tell me.
Rahul,
Okay.
actually, we are expecting videos from you.
Sure, and I will share that one.
Please zip it and share
Sure.
with me. Who and all
I will share.
required, I'll share with them.
Just send your email ID.
Okay, I'll send me. I'll share with
Mhm.
everyone.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay. No. So
Okay,
till now, eight
guys.
classes happened. So I will
Sorry.
share that eight one. Till now, 8 days, 8 classes happened now.
Okay.
So I'll
8
share that
classes.
eight.
Okay. Okay, share me
No, no,
those 8.
including today
Okay.
classes. Sure, sure.
Okay. Share me.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye, sir.